Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And after the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a second or two more, and after that you can release the button and your watch should be turned off. Okay, and after the watch turns off, wait a couple of seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots into a system. As you can see, we're back in a system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.